Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a marble effect on your cookies by dipping them. I always start by outlining each cookie. This is just to help keep your edges clean when you dip them. After you have a chance to outline each cookie, let them sit for a few minutes until the outline crusts over. Place some royal icing in a bowl large enough to dip your cookies in. Thin it out with water until it reaches your desired dipping consistency. I personally like to use a 15-second icing. As you can see, I dripped some of the icing off of the spoon back into the bowl. I then timed how long it took for that icing to meld back into a smooth top. It took 15 seconds to do so. Take your colors of choice and drizzle it over top of your dipping icing. Today I'm going to be using red, white, and blue as my colors. Take your cookie and place it face down into the icing. I press down on each corner just to make sure that there will be no bare spots when I lift the cookie up. Make sure you jiggle and shake the extra icing off. Use your scribe to clean up any edges if necessary. It's very easy to get bubbles on your cookies when you do the dipping method. If you give your cookie a shake, it'll cause the bubbles to rise to the top, and then you can pop them with your scribe tool. And that's it. Then just keep drizzling icing and repeating until you've dipped every single cookie. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button.